Wagwan guys, hello beautiful people, how are you doing? So guys, in this video I will showing you some beautiful hairstyles that you can do, for yourself. Yeah, and this hairstyle, they are for princesses and they are for queens. Yes, so guys, I just wanted to watch this video and enjoy every bit of it. Yeah, so like I would always say, you're always welcome to my channel, to my old subscribers always, to my new subscribers always, and to my future subscribers, you're always welcome. And if you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and you'll be my friend. Yes, so watch this video and enjoy the beautiful styles. Ciao. So far I hope you are enjoying this video. Yeah, this is just a short clip. Yes, so you can see how beautiful these styles are looking, and they're so easy to do. Yeah, They are very easy to do. So you can do this for yourself, for just some casual outings, and you're good to go. Yes, so you can add your accessories as you wish and to just beautify it more, but you don't need a lot for this hairstyles. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching and have a wonderful time. See ya and catch ya in my next video. Bye.